Time to make our filling. First, we get to slice the mushrooms. We want the chopped mushrooms to be about the same size as the rest of the vegetables. The next thing to be chopped, let's put this back in there, is the scallion. But if you have, for my very young chefs, instead of using a knife, if you just want to use your fingers and break them into little pieces into the bowl, that's totally fine. That's fun, right? You can just rip your scallions right there. So 2 choices here. So go back to your kit and find the seasoning sprinkling and the soy sauce. The soy sauce will add salt and umami to your filling. Careful here because it kind of explodes. There we go. And the seasoning sprinkling has some ginger, garlic, sugar. You can use the entire envelope, and that's what I'm going to do, or you can use just part of it. What I would recommend is taste as you go. So, you know, even for a little baseline, why don't you mix this, and I'm gonna get a little spoon here. Mix this and have a little taste just with the soy sauce. So good already. Now, let's add half this pack and taste again. So if you are a young chef and you don't like any heat or a little bit of spicy, go light on this, okay? Because there's ginger. So you can add a little bit. Taste it again. So good. And you know what? I've been working hard. I'm gonna take this last little bite as a bonus. Filling ready to go. Yum.